Hey guys, it's Caitlin.
Bridges, they are burning. Lover, I am worried. Tables, they are turning.
And today I'm going to be doing another huge makeup haul. I literally just got back from sleepaway camp. If you guys didn't know, I was in sleepaway camp for 2 weeks in Florida and I was not allowed to have any electronics or phones, so I couldn't heart your guys' comments or anything. I had videos scheduled to go up. And I just want to clarify something really quick. I got a ton of comments of people who were like, I thought you weren't allowed to have your phone in camp, but I filmed a video there. I filmed a video on my friend's phone and then she sent it to me on the last day of camp so that I could post it. So that's what happened. I was not allowed to have any electronics, so I'm so sorry about that. But here I am, tan as ever, with my boy voice because I lost my voice, and I'm doing another haul. Y'all love them, I love them, and I had like 12 packages come in for me while I was gone, so I thought I would do this. If you guys enjoy, please don't forget to give a big old thumbs up and subscribe down below. Follow my social media, tune into my channel every single day because I post multiple times throughout the week. Don't forget to become a Caitster by turning on your hashtag post notifications. And with all that being said, let's jump right into it. I ordered a couple things right before I left for camp. A bunch of companies sent me stuff and I thought I would just haul it for you guys. I love hauls, you love hauls, so we're just gonna do this. So the first thing was sent to me complimentary from Face Case Cosmetics, formerly known as Palm Pact, and this was sent to me for free from ATTN. I'm very excited for this. This is what it looks like. I'm still not completely sure on what it is, but it says fits on any phone or case, makeup money mirror. And it says it was nominated as the new best beauty innovation. See that little thing right there? So I'm pretty sure this is like a makeup thing that attaches and like detaches to your phone case or like your phone, and that's pretty sick. Okay, so we're gonna open this. So it says, you needed it, we invented it, ditch the purse. Face case attached to your phone, fits perfectly in a pocket or small purse. Place 2 cards in concealed slot for secure hold. Touch-ups are a cinch. Pop on face case palette that suits your mood. Cream to powder foundation conceals with a smooth swipe, conditioning lip balm, and all of that. So it says makeup money mirror. That's what it looks like in the little package, and I'm gonna grab it out of here. Okay, so what it is it looks like this, and you open it just like that, and inside it comes with a mirror, 4 little lip balms, a little highlight, and then a powder. But what you do is you take the sticky off of the back of here and you pop it onto your phone case, which is literally so cool. Then you also have space to put your credit cards right here. So this is literally like on the go makeup. This one is in the shade Rich Nudes. I know they had a bunch of them on there. I will definitely use this. I'll probably put it on a case that's not so meaningful to me, but I think it's really sick. Thank you so much to Face Case Cosmetics. They were formerly known as Palm Pact, I guess because like you could put it in your palm. But thank you to them so much for sending this to me for free through ATTN. That's really cool and I'm excited. Also, while I'm opening this box, I just want to thank you so much for 20,000 subscribers. I was at camp when I hit 20,000, but that is such a big milestone for me. It is amazing and I cannot thank you guys enough. My mom screenshotted it for me right when I hit 20,000 subscribers, so just know that I love you so much, and if it wasn't for your constant support and love, I would not be here showing you guys all the free things that companies sent to me. I just love you so much and thank you for everything you do. The Caitsters are gonna take over the world. So back to Shania or Shania B. It's Shayna. Oh, see, it has the pronunciation right there, Shayna. Shayna B Miami sent this to me complimentary through ATTN. I'm sorry, I just had to get that name right. But it says, Shayna meaning beautiful gives way to our message that you can be beautiful in any language. Shayna B Miami is the multicultural embodiment of beauty. All people, all statuses, all beautiful with Shayna B Miami. I love that. So then we have this little card right here, and on the back it says, Dear Katie, hope you enjoy. Can't wait to hear back from you. XOXO, Shayna B Miami. P.S. Enjoy this little something extra. They sent me something extra. I love when companies send handwritten notes. I think it is like literally the best thing ever. It shows that they actually put time and care for sending you a package. Like they don't just throw everything in there. I think that is so cool. They literally sent me a handwritten note. Like that makes me so happy. And they gave me something extra. Like, so this is what the packaging comes in. Literally so cute, and like they're things like little flamingos, like Shayna B Miami. Yes. So in here we have this. Oh, I remember this. This is the Kabuki buffer brush. I forgot what I ordered off ATTN because it's been a hot second, but this actually looks so nice. Comes in like the fanciest little package. It is so soft. This is gonna be perfect for foundation. Ooh, that is nice. And the quality of this brush, yes. Ultra soft, dense fibers for flawless, high definition finish with liquid cream or powder products made with synthetic hair. Yes, Shayna B. They said they sent me something extra, which is right here. This is their unique shape makeup beauty sponge. That is so, so cool. They literally sent me an extra goodie, and it's so cool to me. It's so cool to me. So we're gonna open this up and see if it's soft and squishy. This literally looks just like the Morphe Beauty Blender, but like pink. Okay, it feels pretty soft. It is a little bit harder than I was expecting, but maybe when I get it wet, it will be a little softer. Hey guys, so it is the next day and I'm editing this video, and I used the Shayna B Beauty Blender to do my makeup, and oh my goodness, it is so good. It got so soft and squishy when I wet it, and I really, really like this a lot. Buy this, Shayna B. This is great. The packaging is so cute. It's based in Miami, which I used to live close to Miami. And they sent me an extra goodie and a handwritten note. That just makes me so, so happy. I'm gonna say it one more time. Thank you so much to Shayna B Miami Cosmetics for sending me that for free through Octoly. That was great. I get so excited over packages. Like, they make me so happy. I think I order stuff just to open it. Like, oh yes. I ordered my mom the Real Techniques Beauty Blender because she had her Real Beauty Blender, but then it got super old and like probably got infected with some disease or something, and it had a hole in it, and so I ordered her one of these. It's like a little Christmas ornament. It's probably for Christmas, but I got her this. I think she's really gonna like it. So this one was for you, Mom. I love you. And then I think I know what this is too. Mom, come here. I ordered you a beauty blender.
So bad, mine has a big hole in the middle.
I told him.
Thank you.
Yeah, it came in a Christmas ornament pack.
Oh, I don't
It
care.
was to hang it from the tree.
I'm not gonna. It's not gonna be here by the time Christmas comes.
So then the next thing I ordered for myself, because I really wanted this for one of my phone cases, I ordered myself a pop socket. It's just like maroon like that. It's like burgundy, and it's gonna go on the back of one of my phone cases because it's one that doesn't have a pop socket, and it's just gonna be useful. So I ordered myself a pop socket, maroon burgundy. That's it. I'm gonna open this big box. It says it's from P.O Beauty, which I'm pretty sure they sent me products to show on my channel, and I'm very excited about it because I remember what I ordered and it looks really cool. Ugh. And this is a big box, like. Whoa, that was loud. Okay, so this is really sick and it looks really cool. P.O Beauty sent me this thing to try, and basically what it is a huge makeup travel bag, so you could pack like everything you need. Like if I was gonna go, let's say, to like a client's house or something, I could pack everything. It has compartments, it has storage, it has like a little name tag, and I have like these things where I could separate where I wanted the makeup to go. It comes with a travel carrier and like 4 different compartment storage things, which is so cool. And then they emailed me and said they were gonna send me some extra things, which is awesome. They sent me this 3-piece silicone face mask applier brushes. You apply it with the silicone so that it doesn't stick and get all messed up, which is actually gonna be really helpful for like clay masks and stuff. So that's really cute. This brand is Familife, F-A-M-I-L-I-F-E. And then the brand of this is VASKER, but it all came from P.O Beauty, so that's what that is. Then they also sent me this 5-piece beauty sponge, makeup sponges, which is crazy because I have so many makeup sponges and now I have more, and I totally forgot they were sending me these. These feel really hard and not very squishy at all. Maybe they will get better when they're wet, but right now they seem really hard and not very squishy. But that's 5 extra beauty blenders I didn't have before, so thank you so much to P.O Beauty. Thank you so much to P.O Beauty for sending this to me. This is gonna be multi-useful, if that's a word. I can put like makeup and all like shampoo and toiletries in here. It looks really cool and I can't wait to travel with this. And then thank you for the extra goodies, the face masks, brush, and the little sponges. These are gonna be really useful and I can't wait to use them. I have a box from Madam Glam New York. They reached out to me and they wanted to send me some lipsticks. They're like vegan and all this stuff, and they looked really cute, and I could not wait to try them. So this says, fragile, handle with care, stay glamorous. Mom, look. It has like egg, like the egg thingy. Whoa, that's so cute. Okay.
Cool.
And basically they had, I think, 8 lipsticks that were like vegan, cruelty-free, all this stuff. And they told me to choose a few colors that I liked. And I chose 4 that I think were so pretty and so like the colors that I would wear. So they sent me all 4 of them and they look adorable. The packaging is really cute. And Madam Glam, I think that's like a really catchy name. So I got 2 velvet lipsticks and 2 matte lipsticks, and that's what they look like. So the first one I got is a velvet lipstick, and this is in the shade Pucker Up. Whoa, the packaging is really heavy duty, like it feels really heavy. That's what that looks like. It says velvet and then Pucker Up. So to open it, what you do is you literally just click the top and then it pops out like that. That is really cute. Oh my goodness, that's neon. I did not know it was that neon. I thought it was a nude. That was like a corally nude. Well, now I got a Pucker Up in neon coral. So, okay, its swatch is really pretty. That's a really pretty color. And I think the packaging is really cool. Like, look at that, ready? And it just pops out. Cute. The next velvet I got in the shade is Mad Hatter. And then look at that. Yeah, this is what I thought Pucker Up was gonna look like. It's just a nude pink. It's kind of like a Barbie pink, but it's a little more subtle like that. This is really pretty. I like this shade a lot. And that one's also satin. And the last 2 are matte lipsticks, and this one is in the shade Liar. So the matte packaging is square like that, while the satin packaging is circular. So that's a difference. This one also does not have the little thing where it presses out. You just pull it out like that. And this is in the shade Liar. They had, I think, 8 shades on their website, and I went for all the nude ones because those are the colors I normally wear. That's what that one looks like. Super, super, super pigmented, and that looks really pretty, actually. That one's way more pigmented than the last one, and it's also matte. So the last Madam Glam lipstick is in the shade Lip Lip Hooray, which is really catchy and cute, and this is very pink. So basically, I just got a whole bunch of different shades of pink, which I did not notice. But I think they're pretty and they're diverse, definitely shades I would not rock on an everyday basis. But when I was ordering them, I did think that they were gonna be a lot more nude and subtle than they appeared to be. So I guess that could have been my mistake. I thought these were the nude ones out of all the ones they had on their website. So maybe when you're shopping, watch like a video where people swatch the shades so you know the actual color, because that's what they look like. Online, they looked way lighter. Thank you so much to Madam Glam New York for sending me these lipsticks. Like I said, they're really good. They're cruelty-free, vegan, all this really nice stuff. So if you want to shop them, click the link down below. They're really cute packaging, and I think they're a really good company. I think they also make eyelashes, if I remember correctly. But I just think they're a small company that should be supported if you're into lipsticks. Hey dudes, I'm editing again. Same day, it's just nighttime now. But Madam Glam was so kind to me, and they decided to give me a coupon code to save you guys money. You can shop Madam Glam right down below using my link, but if you are deciding to buy something and check out, you can just use the code Caiti30 for 30% off your purchase. Madam Glam, I love you so much for that, and I cannot wait to continue using the lipsticks. So then the last package I got is from Influencera, and if you don't know what Influencera is, basically it is a app / website where you can go on and you give reviews on makeup products, hair products, skincare, nails, all that stuff. You can even review food. Companies will send you free products in return for an honest review, and if you use it for long enough, you get things called Vox boxes sent to you. So I signed up for Influencer a really long time ago, and basically you sign up with your social media. So the more of a following you have, the more likely you will be to receive a Vox box, which is free product. So once I started gaining a following, I got a couple surveys, and it asks you like, would you use this? Would you use this? Do you like this? Like, what shade are you? Blah, 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 so that they can send you a Vox box. They send you surveys where they could send you a Vox box, but you won't officially get one. So I've taken 3 surveys, 2 Vox boxes I never got because they didn't send it to me because I guess I didn't fit the survey that the people were looking for. But then they sent me this Vox box, and this is a Benefit Brow Vox box, which is so cool, and I never thought I would ever get to try this, but they sent this to me for free. This is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. ultra fine shape and define pencil. This is really, really cool, and I've always really wanted to try this because it's super, super, super talked about in the beauty community. They just came out with a bunch of new shades, and that's what they look like. And apparently Influencer sent it to me to try for free, and I am beyond excited. I'm pretty sure Laura Lee had her face on the packaging of this at one time. I'm not entirely sure if that's true. I think she did. Maybe it was a different Benefit product, but these are super talked about in the beauty community. And I think it's so cool that I get to try it for free. I didn't have to buy this. They just send it to me because I gave reviews on products. So I got the shade 1, which is the lightest shade, and it's cool. It says for platinum to light blonde hair, and then it goes from cool to warm, and it comes with 6 different shades, as you can see there. So there's gotta be a shade that matches you. This is what the packaging looks like. It's very unique, and it comes with a spoolie on this end and the actual pencil product right here. It kind of reminds me of Anastasia Brow Definer. So that's gonna be so cool to try. I can't wait to try this. Thank you so much to Influencer. Thank you so much to Influencer and Benefit for sending me these products. I can't wait to try it. That is my haul. I guess it wasn't as long as anticipated, but I did have a bunch of products. Thank you to all the companies who sent me stuff. I think it is so cool. And thank you again for 20,000 subscribers. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up and subscribe down below. Follow my social media and tune into my channel every single day because I post multiple times throughout the week. Don't forget to become a caster by turning on your #post notifications. Also, if you want to shop for any of these products, all of it will be linked down below. Every single product I showed will be linked down below. I hope you have a great day. Stay poppin' and bye.